viewers, here we go again. We have another special, I think it's Amazon unboxing video. You guys can check them out. Either my Amazon affiliate link will be down below, or a link to the website. So either or. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Let's about to see what's inside. Here we go. Oh boy. We got some goodies in here. This is coming from VONT. Alright. Definitely check them out. This is going to be VONT smart bulb. So definitely click the link down below. And order yourself a couple of these. But these last a while too, so here we go. Life in color. Live life in color. Alright, here are the bulbs. I gotta go in the other room. So this is a 2-pack. These are lightweight. Looks nice. This VONT. I think there's going to be an app to download. There it is. So definitely check these guys out. VONT. Smart plug. VONT home app. Okay, I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, here is the app. All you gotta do is select the light bulb. I think it's gonna be, I'm gonna put this in my room. 801. So it's gonna be this one. Then once you plug it in, where you decide to plug it in, it'll register it like that. But once it finds it, it'll show up. So we're gonna go to my other room and set this up really quick. I'm only gonna do one because I only have one spot to put the bulb in. So we'll be right back. Alright guys, I got the bulb installed. It's really bright. Here we go. And then, whoa. There it is. Easy to connect. Back up a little bit. I'm liking this. Almost there, guys. Hold on one sec. Alright guys, here it is. We got the app running. Really nice. You could do color, music, different scenes, do it yourself. And these are different presets. You could do warm white, the color wheel, and my colors. Bada boom. It'll just change as you go. Red for holidays. All depends on what you need. They got sunrise. And this is sunset. See, there's different presets right here. Spring. It's almost spring. Lightning. Oh, that's pretty cool. So definitely check them out. The best smart bulb. Easy to hook up. Easy to install. Definitely grab a couple for yourselves. Excited. There's so many different ones. Happy, vivid. I don't know if you guys could read it, but there's that one. Really cool though. So like I said, VONT smart bulb. Link will be down below. You guys be safe. Have a good night and see you soon.